Please take your seats, audience. Please be seated. A very warm welcome to the galaxy of intellects. The chief guest of the morning, Dr. Mahendra Nath Pandey, Honorable Minister of State for Human Resource Development, Government of India. Mr. Jaikishan Kakubhai Jaki Shroff. May we please hear a huge round of applause? Ms. Aruna Irani. Mr. Ghanshyam Khandelwal. Mr. Chetan Sharma. Mr. Rudra Pratap Singh. Honorable Chancellor Dr. Umesh Gautam. Vice Chancellor Dr. Jagdish Rai, esteemed dignitaries on and off the dais, invited parents and our lovely students. We welcome you to the convocation ceremony of Inverters University. A university is not only a place to spread knowledge, but also to create it. Imbibing the quote in its truest sense, Inverters University takes pride in holding its third convocation ceremony. In the wake of the recent developments and the new demands that are being placed on the education system, Inverters University is committed to ensure the overall development of the students. Convocation Day marks a very special day in every student's life. We wish them success and fulfillment in their future endeavors. Now, without further ado, let's begin the ceremony by worshipping the goddess of knowledge and the diva of wisdom, Ma Saraswati. To do the honors, may I call upon Inversion Amber to offer Saraswati Vandana.
Ya kundendu tushar har dhavla, ya shubhra vastra vrata, ya veenambar dand mandit kara, ya shwet padmasana, या ब्रह्मांचित शंकर प्रवर्तभिर देवहि सदा वंदिता सामां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निश्चेषजाड्यापहा शुक्लां राम विचार सार परमा माध्यां जगद्व्यापिनी वीणां पुस्तक धारिणी मभयदां जाड्यां चकारापहा हस्ते स्वाटिक मालिकां विदधति पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरी भगवती बुद्धिप्रदां शारदां. Thank you.
Thank you, Amber. Flowers to shower, to share, and to convey the respect and gratitude, for they speak more than words. With this, may I please request Honorable Chancellor Sir to please present bouquet to the chief guest of the morning, Dr. Mahendra Nath Pandey, Honorable Minister of State for Human Resource Development, Government of India. Thank you, sir. I request Executive Chairperson Ms. Sonal Gautam to please present a bouquet to Mr. Jaikishan Kakubhai Jackie Shroff. Thank you, ma'am. I request Ms. Kavita Prabhakar to present a bouquet to Ms. Aruna Irani. Thank you, ma'am. I request Honorable Pro-Chancellor Mr. Sanjeev Gautam to please present a bouquet to Mr. Ghanshyam Khandelwal. Thank you, sir. I request Ms. Radhika Gautam to please present a bouquet to Mr. Chetan Sharma. Thank you, ma'am. I request Mr. Raman Prabhakar to please present a bouquet to Mr. Rudra Pratap Singh.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. I request Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, to please present a bouquet to Honorable Patron Mr. K.K. Gautam. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I request Honorable Vice Chancellor to deliver welcome address and present progress report of the university.
Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to our chief guest, His Highness Dr. Mahendranath Pandey, Minister of State for Human Resource Development, Higher Education, Government of India. In spite of his busy schedule, he spared time to come to our university and to become the chief guest. We are highly delighted to have you, sir, with us. I also welcome the members of Academic Council and Executive Council to this convocation. Sir, we started as a small institute of management in the year 1998, and since then we have been progressing continuously. In 2010, we became a full-fledged university by the legislation of UP State Assembly Act and afterwards due recognition of the University Grants Commission. We run the courses in science, engineering, biotechnology, pharmacy, architecture, management, commerce, food technology, law, fashion designing, journalism, and mass communication and education. This year, we are starting the courses in agriculture, microbiology, and elementary education. We award the degrees at bachelor, master, and doctorate levels in all above subjects. After passing out their examination, our students are doing well in industries, government organizations, and armed forces. They have become IAS officer and PS officers, have gone abroad for higher studies and performing excellently in industries. We usually get appreciation of performance of our students from the organizations where they are working. Some of them have chosen film and modeling as their career, while others are doing well in sports and entrepreneurship. Our PhD student got lucrative job abroad immediately after his PhD Viva-voce examination was over. We have rigorous PhD programs which can be compared only to IITs. Our placement record has been very high. Every year, several companies come for the campus selection. Our placement generally becomes more than 100%. We have intensive co-curricular activities under the umbrella of Abhiruchi Club. Students take part actively and learn about dance, drama, music, painting, technology, management, and sports. It has been found that some students weak in core studies fare well in above activities and adopt the same as their career. Hence, we pursue them vigorously. We are trying to have our global presence. We have signed agreement with the University of South Carolina upstate in the state of South Carolina of USA and Livingstone College in the state of North Carolina in USA for the exchange of students and faculty and for research collaboration. Students from Livingstone College and their faculty members in 2015 visited our university. Our team of students had visited this institution for the fall semester 2016. In August 2017, we are sending another batch of 7 students to USA under this exchange program. We have research collaboration with Howard University, Washington, D.C. We had organized joint international conference on pluralism, society and management in August 2016. In August 2017, further, we are organizing an international conference in collaboration with Howard University. In the last 1 year, we have organized almost a dozen national and international conferences. Further, the Alexander von Humboldt Foundation, an organization of the government of Germany, has offered us the collaboration in research and we have accepted it. Sir, our effort is to bring Invictus University to a level where we have the same reputation and glory as Ivy League of institutions, Oxford, Cambridge, and IIT. I thank you all very much. Honorable Chancellor, sir, I have the honor to request you, sir, to declare the convocation open.
The convocation of Invictus University has been called to confer degrees on the candidates who in the examinations and for the purpose have been certified to be worthy of the same, and also to confer honoris causa degrees on Mr. Jaikishan Kakubhai Jaiki Shroff, Ms. Aruna Irani, Mr. Ghanshyam Khandelwal, Mr. Chetan Sharma, and Mr. Rudra Pratap Singh. So I declare the convocation open. Let the candidates for the honoris causa degrees be presented.